The rise of micro-hobbies, how tiny passions are transforming our free time in 2025. In a world that moves faster than ever, many people are turning to what are now being called micro-hobbies, small, specific interests that require little time, minimal tools, and no long-term commitment. These hobbies are perfect for modern lives dominated by remote work, digital overload, and fast content. People no longer want to master one big skill over years. They want joyful, bite-sized experiences that fit into their daily schedules without pressure. Think 5-minute origami challenges, minimal sketch journaling, or crafting daily mood doodles. They're not just about creating something, they're about reclaiming a sense of control and calm in a chaotic world. This trend is visible on social platforms, where hashtags like #tinycrafts and #15-minute-magic are gaining millions of views. Why the shift? In 2025, burnout is no longer just a workplace phenomenon. It's a lifestyle epidemic. People are maxed out by the constant need to be productive. Micro-hobbies offer a mental escape, not just entertainment. Neuroscience backs this too. Short, goal-oriented activities improve dopamine levels, reduce cortisol, and support focus retention. Unlike traditional hobbies that require scheduling and gear, micro-hobbies are plug and play. You might pick up digital pixel art during a lunch break, or collect sounds from around your home and remix them into lo-fi tracks using your phone. These bite-sized creative moments give the brain a chance to rest while still feeling accomplished. Social connection is another driving force behind the trend. Micro-hobbies are easily shareable, and not just the results. The process itself becomes content. For example, one trend that exploded in early 2025 is coffee table challenges, where people create mini artworks using only items found on their coffee table. The simplicity makes it accessible, and the uniqueness makes it fun to watch. You don't need to be a designer. You just need a phone, a bit of imagination, and a community to post to. Platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are seeing a surge in hobby-based reels that show creations made in under 10 minutes, usually set to relaxing background music. It's not about perfection, it's about participating. Looking ahead, micro-hobbies aren't just a trend. They're becoming a new way of structuring time. Some schools are adopting them for mental wellness breaks. Employers are starting to offer hobby hours instead of traditional wellness benefits. Even influencers are jumping on board, not to show off skill, but to emphasize vulnerability and process. The fire poster aesthetic, bold colors, quick how-to snapshots, and minimalist visuals has become the go-to format for sharing these tiny hobbies. It's all about showcasing creativity in motion, not just finished results. In a culture obsessed with productivity, micro-hobbies remind us that small joy is still joy, and it might just be the most important kind.